Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Today we're going to be making these super duper easy paper bird finger puppets. Let's take a look and see how they're made. So all you need to make these paper puppets is some square paper and some pens. Now I don't have square paper, you probably don't either, so we're going to start off by making our own square paper. I'm recycling some paper from the recycling bin, so these are really good for recycling. And I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to cut it down the middle. This is going to make two birds. Didn't cut it very straight, but you know what, it's okay. And I'm going to fold this up. So you need a neat crease here. Needs to align here rather than a neat crease. And then I'm going to just trim off this edge. And this is how you can make your own square paper that we've done a lot for our corner bookmarks. So, square piece of paper. You need this diagonal. So if you're starting off with square paper, fold it in half to make a triangle. Sorry, along the diagonal. Open. And now we're going to make a paper kite. So you need to fold in one edge to meet the center. Make it really neat and pointy at this end. And then you're going to repeat. You're going to turn it around and you're going to fold one up and meet the center. So this is your kite shape. So try and make this as pointy as you can. Now you need to fold it in half. There we go. And now turn it around. You have a long edge and these two shorter ones. Here's a really short one and here's a really long one. This is going to be your tail and this is going to be the bit you wrap. So now you need to find the middle. So to find the middle, I'm going to fold the long in half and give it a little teeny weeny squeeze, just a small one, just so I can see the middle. And this is the tricky bit, but it's not really that hard once you get the hang of it. You need to make a line, a fold from here to here. So you're going from that middle bit down to that corner. So I'm going to fold this down. And you need to make this bit as pointy as you can because that's going to be your beak. And then all you need to do is fold it over again. You're kind of wrapping it round and fold again and tuck in the little corner. And when you flip it, this is going to be your bird's face. So the slightly neater side. If you want to have it facing the other way, you need to wrap it the other way. So now you've got your folded paper. The neater you do it, the neater your beak will be. You can decorate it. So mine isn't super neat, but it really doesn't matter. Sometimes we get hung up on things being just right, but you know, there is no just right or wrong. And then you just colour them in. So I'm going to make an orange beak. And this is where the fun really begins. You can have lots and lots of designs. Now my pens are shining through at the moment a little bit. They always do that. When it dries, you won't see the lines underneath. It does that whilst the paper's a little bit damp. So this one looks a bit scary, so I'm not going to do another scary one. I'm going to be another sweet, happy one. So I might do... Oh, the decisions. And then I'm going to give it a yellow wing, I think. What colour body? What haven't we had? Maybe a red body? Or purple? Purple's quite dark. Might do a red one. Or actually you can just leave it white. I'm going to leave this one white. Why not? But I'm going to get my thinner pen and I'm just going to add some little sort of patterns of the feathers. And a little mouth. Maybe some eyelashes. There we go. That's a super simple, quick one without too much colouring. And then you put your fingers in and you have your bird. I mean, that is really how quick and easy they are to make. Now, the important thing is don't get hung up about the folds being super neat. That's a bit, that annoys my daughter a little bit when it's not super neat. I get that. But actually, if you just color it in and have fun, they're going to work whatever you do. And so yeah, that was like a less than a 5-minute craft. So quick, so easy. And I love that you can use scrap paper and any pens or pencils you've got to decorate. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Bye.